Debjani, how does anybody care, or why should anybody care what Ranbir had to say 11 years ago? And if he likes beef, so be it. Who is the Bajrang Dal to decide who gets to enter a temple?
What I would say is that, you know, temple is not a secular place. It is a religious place. Okay. So people go there for
Of course
puja.
It's a religious place. So
Sorry?
Of course it's a religious place, but who decides
Yes.
who can go there? The Bajrang Dal activist standing outside.
Yes, yes, what I am saying is this, that the people there, the devotees there, if the devotees, the large number of devotees has support for Bajrang Dal, then Bajrang Dal would decide it. That is the point. That's how it has been decided.
The large number of devotees will support the Bajrang Dal, and so the Bajrang Dal is right. So ma'am, are you suggesting that, ma'am, Debjani, why don't you just say it out loud? That violence is okay, let's just bash up people, because that's the way, that's the India we want, right? Is that the India you want, Debjani?
Not violence, but prevention. What Bajrang Dal wanted, to prevent them from entering. And if Bajrang Dal gets the support of a large mass of devotees, then what you do?
Do you think the large mass of devotees...
That's not shocking. Opinion.
Kunickaa Sadanand, would you like to respond to that? That apparently the Bajrang Dal speaks for others.
Yes, sir. Vishnuji, nice to be on your show.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what if she belongs to a party or if she's an Indian citizen, because this is shocking. Madam, there is a law and order that is supposed to be maintained in the country. If you get a large support for any कोई भी मुद्दे के लिए आपको large support मिलेगा, तो इसका मतलब वो मुद्दा गलत या सही हो जाएगा. मतलब there is no कोई कानून नहीं, कोई constitution नहीं, कोई protection of citizens nahi, you don't believe in rights of citizens. I don't know which country you belong to, and I think which country you belong to is what this country is becoming soon, because I've seen that these Bajrang Dal people are obviously not there with permission, and they were protesting outside a temple which is not supposed to be a site for protesting. Protesting is a right which is given to you by the constitution. Why? Madam,
what's the problem?
You have the right to protest in a designated place.
Protesting outside the temple.
कल आपकी बेटी जीन्स पहनेगी और आपके घर के बाहर बजरंग दल के सपोर्ट से लोग आ जाएंगे, तो आप उसको सही कहेंगे? You will say yes, it's right. They're right. No, she just said.
Rahul, half a second.
No.
I don't agree with this, madam. There's a constitution. There's a right to life, right to speech, freedom of expression, right to what I can eat, and right to pray.
Kunickaa, half a second. Let Debjani respond, and then Rahul wants to come in. Go ahead, Debjani, quickly. Yes.
Yes. So Bajrang Dal, what they were doing, they were peacefully protesting outside the temple. Why can't they protest outside the temple?
Why should anybody what right does the Bajrang Dal have to stop a couple from going into a temple? Does the Bajrang Dal have the right to say you will enter and you will not? Aren't our places of worship, meant to be places where people who are devout can go in and pray? Why should somebody decide that? And the reason is ludicrous. He ate beef, he liked beef, therefore he cannot be permitted. Is this a class 1 level discourse?
Let them put 5 cameras in everybody's house and see who's eating beef.
I will have to leave the show.
Put 5 cameras now.
If you don't let me speak. No.
Please leave. I don't think you deserve to be on the show. We're talking like this in a country which is supposed to be independent and secular. You don't have the right to speak like this. If you're talking like this, means you have absolutely bored out of thinking.
What is the problem if I speak like this? Doesn't the Bajrang Dal have the right to protest?